Here's how Trump's proposed Middle East peace plan compares to the failed deals of the last century. In June 1967, Israel militarily occupied the Gaza Strip, the West Bank, and East Jerusalem, leading to the largest and longest-lasting occupation of modern times. But the occupation is completely missing from Trump's plan, in spite of it being a key issue in almost every negotiation, appearing frequently in UN resolutions and the Arab Peace Initiative. The only time the word occupation is used is in the context of a job or profession. In 1972, there were around 10,000 Israeli settlers living in the West Bank, Gaza, and East Jerusalem. By 2018, there were 611,000. These settlements are illegal under international law, but Trump's plan promises to legitimize them by allowing Israel to incorporate them into its territory. The right of return for Palestinian refugees was recognized in the 1948 UN Resolution 194 and is universally recognized in international law. Trump's plan mentions this right once, but only to say that there shall be no right of return for the 7 million Palestinian refugees spread around the world. Trump's plan uses the term Jewish state to describe Israel, a term which has not been used in key documents since 1947. The term echoes the Balfour Declaration of 1917, which promised a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine, and began a century of the world determining the fate of Palestine.